Get an automatic watering system. We're enjoying the drinking right now.
And proof that it works. Alright, back with the scrap food.
Hello, ladies. This is my wife, another soap. Yeah, stick it in there. In the pudding. I'm a little clumsy. You're going to go after me rain again? Well, I took off my finger on that one. We'll go after me. Shine the ball on that, people. You're going to see me for the first time. Okay, for the chickens. There's our strawberry patch doing really good. Getting lots of strawberries off of it. Apple tree trying to grow. Peach tree looks good. Chickens gonna get a treat. I got a treat for the chickens.
They've gotten watermelon for the past 2 days.
Watermelon, watermelon. We'll just stick it in like this and let them, hey, easy girls.
Oh my gosh, they go ham on it.
Oh, they'll flip it over and get it. You can put some in straight up and down, but drop some in up here too. Watermelon. Oh, sorry girls.
Oh my goodness.
Hit it right in the head. That was not very good. Watermelon for the chickens. Treats for the chickens. Put you one here. Got a big one. Put you one right there. Treat for the chickens. One out here for you.
Look at this.
Yeah, that'll eat it right off there. They love the watermelon. There's seeds on here too. Get it, girls. Don't get my finger. Hey, yummy. Yummy watermelon. Watermelon for the chickens. Grandma left just a little bit on there for them. Still quite good. Mm-hmm. Whoops, haven't flipped over. Sorry, girls. Haven't got some dirt on it. Yeah, they won't eat the outer section, but they'll eat it down to the green. They're good, ladies.
Oh, they love it.
They love it. Let me make sure their feeds.
Oh, they just squirted it in my thing.
It's yummy.
Yummy, yummy. I love watermelon.
Make sure their feed's good here too, which looks like it is.
Try watermelon with honey. It's the best.
Ah, don't listen to her. She's crazy.
Excuse
That
me.
girl's crazy.
No, it's delicious.
They're good girls.
You should try it.
We spoil our chickens. Yep.
Yep, we spoiled them.
They get pizza, watermelon,
Spaghetti.
we probably give them too much of that stuff. But they get it and they're doing good. We're still getting between 8 and 11 eggs every 2 days. And finally they're all done brooding. We had a couple brood. Black one of the brown ones did for a little bit. But you guys are gonna have to knock those over. Yep, you're gonna find out there's a treat underneath the green. Is that good stuff? Thanks, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa.
What about me? I gave you it yesterday.
All right, treats for the chicken day. See y'all later. Come to a conclusion with our raccoon friend. Rather than shoot him or something like that, we put foil up, which seemed to keep him out for the most part, but he's found his way back in here. And he doesn't take a lot. He comes in, he'll chew on one. You see that there? I used to pluck them off when he did that. But I just leave him, because then he'll come back tonight and he'll finish that one. So he takes like one. He'll eat one every 2 or 3 days, which I think I can deal with that. Now, if we get a bunch of coons in here, then we're in trouble. I didn't even know coons ate strawberries, but apparently he likes them.
And Pa, should we put foil right here? Because this is an
Nah,
easy spot
that's
to get
enough
to
of the
a
foil.
strawberry.
Foil's keeping some of the birds away too, so we're just going to leave that up for now. It's shiny and the wind blows, it moves it, and it scares the birds and things of that sort. We read about it, but you know, a lot of these home remedies don't seem to work. But we did find something that works for our bird feeder.
Not pretty, but it works.
2 nights in a row this has worked. Kept the coon from getting to the seeds. And I was wondering if this was going to be big enough, because he's a pretty tall coon. but he can't quite reach up high enough to get a good grip on anything to climb that. You know, he'll climb up under there, but that ain't gonna do him no good. So this does work, guys. If you want something that works, it keeps the coons off, but that makes your bird feeder look a little silly, but you could always paint it and dress it up a little bit. But I seen somebody else use the fireplace lids that are like 31 inches. This one was just around 21 or 22 inches, but because of the angle of it, see, he could probably reach this lip, but it's too wobbly for him to hold on to. So he can't get up here high enough to get a hold of that from standing down here. So for 2 days in a row, we've had no seed loss from the raccoons. But I've come to a conclusion he can have, you know, one strawberry every 2-3 days. But if it gets worse than that, then we're gonna have to do something a little more serious about the coon. But that's the story. Looks like our apple tree we transplanted didn't make it. He died, but we have 2 other apple trees and the peach tree doing good as well. Tomato plants taking off. Unexpected potatoes grew up from last year, so we're just going to let those go. We was going to plant some other things in here, but I'm not really sure what we're doing this year. We're going to keep it kind of small. Last year I had a whole garden, and man, was that a lot of work. And we had way too many tomatoes, but we had peppers, we had a lot of zucchini, made a lot of zucchini bread, which was awesome. I would like to plant a zucchini, but it's getting kind of late now. But anyhow, that's the story. See you guys.